The day started by us giving the dogs the last run on the beach they're going to have in a while, and then we headed into town to get supplies. Now she's really heavy.
Yeah.
Like a sandbag. She's eating something to stand. I'm just filling up on some LPG before we set off, which is what powers our cooker and hot water. Nice, cheap, and we don't have to swap out the bottles, which is the handiest thing. The diesel price in Gibraltar is £1 a litre, so of course you make the most of it while you're there. Gibraltar's full of all things British, including the most Christmassy British pub we've ever seen. Good morning, guys. We are just the other side, or just by the rock of Gibraltar, as you can see there. Lovely day, sun's come up nicely, which we need because yesterday we went to pick up our stuff, our winter gear, our snowboard stuff from our friend in Gibraltar, who's like kept it there for us all summer. And we went to get fit it all in the van, and well, and this is as much as we could fit in. Dare I open the door? And Marcela's snowboard gear, including snowboard, everything else is, well, was on the bed last night. So today, luckily, because the weather's been a bit rubbish around here recently, to be honest, it's been quite wet. So to do this job would have been hard, but today, it's gonna be a nice sunny day. So I'm gonna get everything out the back of the van, dry stuff out because one of my kites is wet anyway and it's drying, and then pack everything away, take the fins off my boards and pack everything down nice and tight, and hopefully I think we should be able to get enough room in there to have all of our stuff securely away in the van. We were actually at this spot last year, like August time, before we set off for a trip round Europe, then where we ended up in Greece, and there was no one here at all. So I'm wondering if this spot's been added to park for night, because as you can see there's a few vans here. So that's everything out drying. We're really lucky that it's sunny and not too windy, so I can get these kites out as well and try them all out. So the weather turned against us. Just got everything in before it stopped raining, and everything's in, but it's pretty tight. I think we're gonna have to do some reorganising of equipment when we get to the Alps. Oh, Zeus's window's open.
I've left it open.
Not forgot anything? Yeah. Anyway, we're setting off. 2,000-kilometre road trip to 𝐕𝐚𝐧.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the second.
You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. As long as we get there. Trucks to get us there. I just want to show you how prepared Marcela is for the Alps already. She's a sheep. We haven't even anywhere near left Spain yet, so I don't know why you feel you need that thing on. We've only done like a couple of hours driving, but first day, you know, nice and easy. Just looking for somewhere to park now. What is this?
A car park in the forest.
Woo! Looking good, huh?
Yeah. A bit creepy, but okay.
Barry, where are we? Nice little place for the night. What? No. This is where we ended up waking up this morning. Quite a nice place. Park for night doing. Dogs have had a nice run round. Did you notice that cockerel, by the way? Cockadoodle doing it like 3 and 5. 3 and 5. You were sleeping when at 3. Why does it cockadoodle do it at 3?
Usually it's 5 anyway.
Yeah, but why is it doing it at 3?
To wake everybody up.
Shouldn't be waking up at 3 anyway, should you? But yeah, we're going to drive for another couple of hours today, have some lunch, and then drive again for however long, and make our way north. Where you going, Zeus? Where you off? Zeus? No. You're smelling something and going. Zeus? Little sheep running off after Zeus. It was really nice to stay in the forest actually for a change. Not that the beach isn't nice. It's always nice getting somewhere at night and you don't really see your surroundings, and then in the morning you get to see it all. And usually it's, you know, good result. Marcella's been mushroom picking again, and we've decided these ones are probably poisonous. More likely than not anyway, because they've got these gills, white gills, and I don't know, we're not going to eat them anyway. I've discovered something. This t-shirt is not a good van life colour. It gets dirty rather quickly. Time for lunch and edit this vlog actually. Buena. He's gonna shit himself.
What?
Be like, well, he did let us know.
Yeah.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the look what DJ
Do a dance, Al. You were doing dance before.